empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying.
The Bell 360 Invictus is a cutting-edge reconnaissance and attack aircraft developed as part of the U.S. Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft, FARA program. Built to meet the evolving demands of modern warfare, this next-generation aircraft combines unmatched maneuverability with exceptional speed, range, and agility, making it a dominant force in both densely populated urban areas and rough, unforgiving terrains. Its sleek, tactical design incorporates a powerful 20mm cannon mounted in the nose, complemented by an internal weapons bay that supports modular launchers. This modularity allows it to be quickly reconfigured for a variety of combat missions, ensuring operational readiness in any scenario, whether offensive, defensive, or reconnaissance-based. Beyond firepower, the Bell 360 is engineered for long-term performance and sustainability. It benefits from advanced manufacturing techniques that not only reduce production costs, but also ensure a high level of reliability throughout its service life. The aircraft is powered by an integrated supplemental power unit, delivering enhanced performance on demand, while its fly-by-wire control system offers precise handling and responsiveness during complex maneuvers. All these features come together to make the Bell 360 Invictus a game-changer in the realm of aerial reconnaissance and attack, providing military forces with a versatile, always-ready platform capable of dominating the skies in any mission profile. The Grill drone, developed by the German company ELEX, stands as a groundbreaking innovation in the realm of emergency rescue operations. This advanced multicopter is specifically engineered for the rapid evacuation and transport of wounded individuals from perilous and inaccessible areas. As a vital component of the drone evac system, the Grill drone operates in coordination with a mobile control room, a logistics and service trailer, and a comprehensive digital backbone that ensures seamless communication and coordination during high-pressure emergency situations. Its primary mission is to enhance the speed and efficiency of medical evacuation, drastically improving the chances of survival for victims by minimizing the time between injury and critical care. The drone can be quickly deployed to the front lines or disaster zones, where conventional rescue efforts may be delayed due to environmental hazards or enemy threats. Once it reaches the injured, it can safely extract and transport them to medical facilities without exposing human rescuers to further danger. With its precision navigation and autonomous capabilities, the Grill drone represents a transformative shift in emergency medical response. It is more than just a drone. It is a mobile lifeline that bridges the gap between battlefield injury and hospital care. Its integration into modern rescue logistics offers a new standard for emergency preparedness, demonstrating how unmanned aerial technology can save lives in real time. By combining mobility, autonomy, and speed, the Grill drone marks a significant leap forward in the way critical medical assistance is delivered under the most challenging circumstances. The NH-90C is a next-generation helicopter specifically engineered to meet NATO's demanding standards for both terrestrial and maritime missions. It represents a significant leap in rotary wing aviation by being the first helicopter in its class to feature fully integrated fly-by-wire controls, a technology that greatly enhances flight precision, maneuverability, and pilot workload management. The NH-90 is available in two main configurations: the Tactical Transport Helicopter, TTH, for Army use, and the NATO Frigate Helicopter, NFH, tailored for naval operations. These variants are versatile and capable of executing a wide range of missions, from troop transport and logistics support to search and rescue, anti-surface warfare, and sophisticated anti-submarine operations. One of the NH-90's defining features is its ability to operate effectively in complex, multi-domain environments. The naval variant, for example, is equipped with cutting-edge sonar systems, radar, and electronic countermeasures that allow it to detect and neutralize underwater threats, such as enemy submarines. Despite its technological superiority, the NH-90 has encountered a few hurdles, including maintenance challenges and occasional software integration issues that have sparked operational delays in some fleets. Notably, The German Navy has deployed specialized variants such as the NH-90 Sea Lion and NH-90 Sea Tiger. The Sea Lion focuses on transport and SAR missions, while the Sea Tiger enhances maritime combat capabilities with upgraded systems specifically for submarine tracking and electronic warfare. Overall, the NH-90 remains a key asset in modern defense, combining advanced avionics, modular adaptability, and battlefield versatility to support a wide spectrum of military needs across sea and land domains. The Elbit Systems Trident is a cutting-edge target acquisition and designation suite specifically engineered for medium-range dismounted missions. Compact, modular, and highly advanced, this man-portable system operates from a single tripod setup, delivering pinpoint accuracy in fire support and real-time intelligence gathering. Its design ensures rapid deployment and effortless use in dynamic and challenging battlefield environments. One of its most distinctive features is the integration of advanced AI-driven analytics, which significantly improves targeting efficiency and threat identification. The wide field of view and passive Category 1 target acquisition system allow operators to detect and track enemy units without revealing their own positions, maintaining the element of surprise and enhancing mission survivability. Trident excels in both day and night operations, thanks to its high-end target locators, laser designators, and robust integrated intelligence systems. Its modularity ensures that it can be customized for specific mission needs, providing flexibility and adaptability in the field. By dramatically reducing the sensor-to-shooter loop, the time it takes from spotting a target to neutralizing it, the Trident enables military units to act faster and with greater precision than ever before. This tactical edge is crucial for today's complex combat scenarios, where speed, stealth, and accuracy define success. The Trident system is more than just a targeting tool. It's a force multiplier. It enhances battlefield situational awareness, facilitates superior command and control, and supports coordinated operations across various units. Whether in rugged terrain or urban warfare zones, Trident delivers unmatched performance, making it an indispensable asset for modern armed forces seeking to dominate the operational environment with next-generation targeting capabilities. Elta air defense radars stand out as some of the most advanced and dependable systems in the world when it comes to detecting, tracking, and identifying airborne threats. These highly sophisticated radars play a vital role in modern integrated air defense strategies, offering early warning and real-time situational awareness that is crucial for military operations. Built with precision engineering, these systems are equipped with multi-beam and multi-mode capabilities, allowing them to simultaneously track multiple targets with exceptional accuracy. Whether facing fast-moving aircraft, low-flying helicopters, missiles, or even small unmanned aerial vehicles, Elta radars deliver consistent performance and high reliability across all threat types. What makes these radars particularly effective is their use of cutting-edge digital beamforming technology and advanced signal processing algorithms. These features significantly enhance detection range, resolution, and target clarity, even in environments filled with electronic countermeasures. The systems are also designed to be modular and scalable, meaning they can be customized for different operational needs. Whether deployed on ground-based platforms, mounted on naval vessels, or integrated into airborne systems, Elta radars offer flexible solutions that adapt seamlessly to the demands of modern warfare. This adaptability ensures that defense forces are equipped with a robust and versatile shield against a wide spectrum of aerial threats, reinforcing national security in an increasingly complex and dynamic battle space. The ELEX SR is a state-of-the-art tactical communication system, purpose-built to meet the evolving needs of modern dismounted forces. Developed as a next-generation software-defined radio, it provides a robust and flexible communications solution capable of handling multi-band and multi-channel transmissions. With dual transmit and receive RF channels, it ensures continuous, secure, and resilient communication, even in highly contested and dynamic combat environments. Designed to support NATO interoperability, the ELEX SR facilitates smooth communication and coordination between allied units during joint operations, which is critical in modern coalition warfare. One of the standout features of the ELEX SR is its man-on-man teaming capability, which allows it to interface seamlessly with robotic and unmanned platforms. This is especially valuable for future-ready forces relying increasingly on autonomous systems for surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat support. The system also incorporates advanced anti-jamming features to maintain signal integrity even in electronic warfare scenarios. And it's built for compatibility with GPRS, 5G networks, and satellite communications, ensuring connectivity in the most remote or challenging terrains. Compact, lightweight, and easy to operate, the ELEX SR doesn't just simplify field communication, it transforms it. Real-time voice, video, and data transmission capabilities enable soldiers to share battlefield intelligence instantly, dramatically improving situational awareness and decision-making. Its intuitive interface and portability make it an indispensable asset for modern infantry, special operations teams, and rapid response units. In an age where communication is as critical as firepower, the ELEX SR stands out as a strategic force multiplier, offering unmatched versatility, reliability, and operational advantage in today's fast-paced combat theaters. The HISS HD thermal sniper sight is a groundbreaking advancement in precision targeting, specifically crafted to deliver unparalleled performance in long-range sniper engagements. Designed for tactical superiority, this high-definition thermal sight is capable of detecting human-sized targets at distances beyond 2,200 meters, making it a game-changer for sharpshooters operating in challenging and obscured environments. What truly sets it apart is its integration with MILE STD 1913 radio interfaces, enabling seamless connectivity with modern sniper scopes and delivering crisp, crystal-clear imagery that enhances situational awareness and accuracy in real time. One of its most impressive features is the advanced cryocooler technology, which significantly reduces thermal noise and sharpens image resolution to the point where snipers can actually track bullet trajectories mid-flight, even in daylight conditions. This remarkable level of clarity transforms the way long-range engagements are approached, giving marksmen a distinct edge in both day and night operations. Its clip-on configuration ensures quick and easy attachment to existing weapon systems, making it equally effective for snipers and machine gunners alike. Enhanced by FLIR Ignite software, it allows for intuitive image management and effortless data sharing, optimizing battlefield communication and coordination. The HISS HD isn't just another scope, it redefines thermal vision, setting a new benchmark for precision shooting in modern warfare, especially where low visibility and extreme distances would normally hinder engagement capabilities. The Light Beam Laser System is a groundbreaking mobile directed energy weapon developed to provide maneuvering military forces with a powerful new layer of defense. Engineered to neutralize a range of airborne threats, including drones, rockets, and mortar rounds, this advanced system uses a high-energy, focused laser to disable or destroy incoming targets with incredible precision and speed. Unlike traditional kinetic munitions, the light beam relies on the power of light itself, allowing it to silently and efficiently eliminate threats from a distance without the need for explosive payloads or physical projectiles. One of its most significant advantages is its high level of mobility. The system can be quickly deployed across dynamic combat environments, making it an ideal solution for fast-moving military units that require immediate defensive capabilities. Its ability to rapidly engage and neutralize multiple targets in succession offers a substantial tactical benefit, especially in environments where conventional weapons might struggle to keep pace with evolving threats. Additionally, by significantly reducing the risk of collateral damage, the light beam provides a cleaner, more precise form of engagement, especially important in urban or densely populated settings. Economically, the system also stands out. Its use of directed energy dramatically lowers the cost per shot compared to traditional munitions, allowing sustained defensive operations without the logistical burden of ammunition resupply. Scalable, efficient, and environmentally sustainable, the Light Beam Laser System exemplifies the future of military defense technology, an essential asset in modern warfare, where speed, accuracy, and adaptability are paramount. Robust robotic combat vehicles, often referred to as RCVs, represent a transformative leap in the evolution of modern warfare. These highly advanced machines are either autonomous or remotely operated, and are specifically engineered for a range of military operations, including combat engagement, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Outfitted with sophisticated sensors, state-of-the-art weapon systems, and secure, high-speed communication technologies, RCVs are capable of operating independently in the field or under the direct control of human operators. This flexibility allows them to adapt seamlessly to complex and unpredictable combat environments, delivering accurate fire support, gathering real-time intelligence, and engaging enemy forces with remarkable efficiency. One of the key advantages of these robotic systems is their ability to traverse a wide variety of terrains, from urban battle zones to remote, rugged landscapes, while constantly relaying critical data to command centers. Their presence significantly enhances battlefield safety by reducing the need to place human soldiers in high-risk scenarios. These machines are also built to endure the harshest of conditions and are resilient enough to survive attacks that would otherwise be fatal to human personnel. However, as with any emerging military technology, the rise of RCVs introduces new challenges. Concerns about cybersecurity threats, such as hacking or system manipulation, and ethical issues surrounding autonomous decision-making and the risk of civilian casualties must be addressed carefully. Nonetheless, with continued innovation and proper oversight, robotic combat vehicles are poised to become an integral part of the future battlefield, offering unmatched strength, precision, and tactical advantage. Starstreak is a cutting-edge man-portable air defense system developed by Thales Air Defense, known for its unmatched speed, precision, and reliability in neutralizing aerial threats. This advanced missile system stands out due to its unique laser-guided technology, which ensures pinpoint accuracy in even the most demanding combat environments. What sets Starstreak apart is its ability to break into 3 high-velocity darts immediately after launch. These darts travel at astonishing speeds exceeding Mach 3, significantly reducing the time targets have to react, which is especially critical when dealing with fast, low-flying aircraft, such as helicopters, drones, and fighter jets. Designed with mobility and ease of use in mind, the Starstreak can be deployed by a single operator, making it a highly versatile solution for ground forces operating in dynamic and high-pressure environments. Its man-portable nature allows troops to quickly reposition and adapt to evolving battlefield scenarios, whether in urban combat zones or open field operations. In addition to its mobility, the system's high-speed interception capability makes it incredibly effective at countering threats that more conventional air defense systems might miss. With its superior speed, laser-guided accuracy, and lightweight deployment options, Starstreak represents a significant advantage for modern militaries, offering a powerful layer of protection and significantly enhancing the operational effectiveness of ground-based units facing aerial threats. The Viper 40 Pro is a revolutionary leap in modern warfare technology, offering a compact and lethal solution for precision strikes in real-time combat scenarios. This cutting-edge mini-loitering munition drone is engineered to deliver the accuracy and impact of advanced air systems, yet it's as portable and easy to carry as a standard grenade launcher. Its ultra-compact design allows it to be stored comfortably within a soldier's combat vest, making it ideal for missions that require rapid deployment under pressure. Whether in open terrain or the tight corridors of urban warfare, the Viper 40 Micro brings agility and firepower exactly when and where it's needed. Designed to seamlessly integrate with existing military hardware, including the widely used M320 launcher, the Viper 40 Micro simplifies deployment while enhancing tactical flexibility. Once launched, it provides a critical aerial view of the battlefield, enabling better decision-making and target acquisition in fast-changing environments. With a line-of-sight accuracy of up to 1,000 meters, it ensures high-precision engagement. Despite weighing only 450 grams, this drone can reach speeds of 15 meters per second, travel up to 5 kilometers, and remain airborne for up to 25 minutes. Its ability to engage both visible and beyond line-of-sight targets makes it a game-changer for small tactical units, redefining what's possible in compact drone warfare and giving forces an unmatched edge in real-time combat operations.